If you want to deposit money in Phantom Wallet, then please make sure you watch this video until the end and then you will be able to do this. So let's dive into the video right now. The first step is that you need to make sure that you have your Phantom account all set up. And I have done that, so right now I'm in my home screen. As you can see, I have zero balance and it's showing me an option saying let's get started, buy crypto, buy your first crypto with a debit or credit card. And what you're going to do is you are going to click on this and it will show some currencies. And this is actually the first way to deposit money on your account. So let's say we want to go for the currency Solana. Let's say $5 because the minimum is $5. And now you can click on some options. Right now it's selected on Coinbase Pay. So you can use Coinbase Pay, you can use Stripe. You can also use Apple Pay or your credit and debit card. So when you want to use Apple Pay, you just select Apple Pay. And now a provider that's showing up is Stripe. It's showing up at the lowest price. And right now when you click on buy, you will be redirected to a portal where you can fill in all your details. And then the money will be deposited on your Phantom account. So that's the first way. And you can also do this for other currencies, of course, for example, Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, the meme coins, of course, basically what you want. And then you will see that your balance will be added with the amount you've deposited, and it will show up in your home screen. And the second way to deposit money on your account is by clicking on receive in here, the QR code in the middle. And here you can see a couple of links from Solana, Ethereum, Coinbase, Polygon, Bitcoin. And when you want to receive money on your account by using one of these links, you just click on, for example, Ethereum. You can scan this QR code right now to receive tokens or collectibles on Ethereum, or you can copy the link in here and you can use that link in another trading app or another crypto app, paste it in and transfer money from your other crypto account to Phantom. So that are the two ways that are working right now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And I want to tell you that you need to check the description for an amazing offer that can help you out with a lot of things regarding business, generating leads, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.